The Westinghouse 27-inch curved is a gaming monitor that's about to change the way you experience fast-paced action, immersive visuals, and effortless connectivity. Imagine yourself in the middle of an intense battle or high-speed racing game. Every movement needs to be sharp, every detail vivid. That's where this incredible curved monitor comes in. With its 240 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, you'll enjoy fluid motion, reduced ghosting, and seamless visuals that put you right at the heart of the action. The curve of this monitor wraps around your field of view, reducing glare and edge distortion for a more comfortable viewing experience. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, you'll appreciate the immersive 1500R curved screen that transports you into the world of the game. But it's not just about visuals. This monitor is also packed with features that make it an ultimate tool for gamers. With its AMD FreeSync technology, you'll enjoy tear-free and stutter-free gameplay, while dedicated FPS/RTS modes help optimize your gaming experience. The contrast ratio is a staggering 4,000 to 1, delivering rich, vibrant visuals with enhanced depth and accuracy. And let's not forget about Eyecare. This monitor has got it covered. With its EyeRest technology, you'll enjoy flicker-free and anti-glare performance, as well as low blue light settings that reduce digital eye strain and fatigue. No more tired eyes or headaches after hours of gaming. But what really sets this monitor apart is its incredible connectivity options. You can plug in effortlessly via HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, making it easy to switch between work and gaming. Plus, the built-in speakers deliver crisp audio, while an audio out jack lets you connect your own speakers for even more immersive sound. One of the standout features of this monitor is its super-fast response time. With a 1 millisecond response time, you'll notice virtually no lag or delay in your gameplay, giving you a competitive edge that's hard to beat. And with HDR support, you'll experience colors and contrast that will make even the most beautiful scenes look stunning. Another impressive feature is the monitor's adjustable height settings. This allows you to customize the screen to fit your unique gaming setup, ensuring that you're always comfortable and focused on the action. Plus, the built-in cable management system keeps all those pesky cables out of sight, adding a touch of professionalism to any gaming room. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this monitor really worth it? And my answer is a resounding yes. The Westinghouse 27-inch curved offers an unparalleled level of performance and connectivity that will take your gaming experience to the next level. Whether you're a casual gamer or a serious pro, this monitor has something for everyone. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about some real-world benefits. For example, if you're a professional gamer looking to gain a competitive edge, this monitor is a must-have. With its lightning-fast response time and low input lag, you'll be able to react faster than ever before, giving you the upper hand in even the most intense matches. And for those who aren't gamers, but still want an amazing viewing experience, this monitor is perfect for watching movies or sports with friends. The immersive curved screen will draw you right into the action, making it feel like you're part of the game itself. Plus, the built-in speakers deliver crystal-clear audio that's perfect for movie nights or game sessions. In short, the Westinghouse 27-inch curved is a game-changer for anyone who loves fast-paced action or high-quality visuals. Whether you're a serious gamer or just someone who wants to elevate their entertainment experience, this incredible monitor has got everything you need and more. But wait, there's more. This monitor also comes with some amazing value-added features. For example, the Westinghouse 27-inch curved has built-in USB ports, allowing you to plug in your favorite gaming controllers or devices without any hassle. Plus, the monitor has a sleek and modern design that will look great on any desk or wall. And finally, let's talk about the warranty and customer support. The Westinghouse 27-inch curved comes with a comprehensive 1-year warranty that covers everything from manufacturing defects to display issues. Plus, the company offers top-notch customer support through their website and phone number, ensuring that you'll always have access to help whenever you need it. In conclusion, the Westinghouse 27-inch curved is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves gaming or just wants to elevate their entertainment experience. With its incredible performance, connectivity options, and value-added features, this monitor has everything you need to take your viewing experience to the next level. So why wait? Get ready to experience fast-paced action like never before with the Westinghouse 27-inch curved.